Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. First of all, go into Settings, scroll down and click on Security and Privacy. Now scroll down again, click on Device Lock and select Face and Fingerprint Unlock. After that, you need to enter your current login method. Tap on Face Unlock. Choose More at the bottom right corner. Read all of those instructions and disclaimers. Click on More again. And select I agree at the bottom right corner. Now click on Start at the bottom right corner as well. And remember to keep your face in frame. Lastly, select Done at the bottom right corner and adjust those two options however you want to. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you want to delete it, go into Face and Fingerprint Unlock again, enter your screen lock, tap on Face Unlock, and select Delete Face Model. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!